Hi, welcome to New Peace Life Talks channel, in which videos are based on topics like mental wellness, how to live happy and peaceful life, stress, and new motivational and educational topics. We all want to live happy and peaceful life. Does it mean we all go to Himalaya and do meditation? Is it possible for all of us? The answer is absolutely no. We are social beings. We are not sane. We live in society, and here there are every sort of people. It is little bit easy for saints to remain calm, but for to remain happy and peaceful in this society is very cumbersome. As being human, we urge us to get progress and prosperity in life, and for this it is very important to take decisions of your own in life rather than on the basis of others. You all have felt sometime when we spend normally on our days, then in this society no one cares and bothers. But as we move on the steps of progress, and for this we start working hard, then oh my god, the people from the society starts coming in our way to create the others. They start juggling in our way. Every person is not like, but many of are. These people can be from your colleagues, relatives, neighbors, friends, and even from your own family members. They can't tolerate that you are trying for your growth and progress. Now, the question becomes in front of us, what will we do? Will you leave your progress tracks? Will you sit at your home doing nothing? Is these are the solutions? No. It's bitter truth that in your bad times no one will be with you except your well-wishers. We have listened a story in our childhood time, The Donkey Man and His Son. Those who have not listened, I will take a short recap. Once upon a time there was a donkey man and his son were walking. People told them how they are fool. Three of them are walking. Now father make his son to sit on donkey. Now people remarked how the son is shameless. His father is walking and he is sitting. Now father sit on the donkey. Now people remark, father is sitting and the son is walking. Now both of them sit on the donkey. Now people remark, see how they are emotionless, both of them sitting on the weak donkey. Now both of them make the donkey to sit on their shoulders and start walking. On the breast, the donkey fell and died. This incident make father and son sad. This story gives the message that in your life, if your decisions are based on the wishes and advices of all the people, then your decision will be probably wrong, and at the last it will make you sad. Then what we should do? Firstly, try to read the face behind the mask. No, I'm not saying that. Nowadays people are using the mask due to the COVID-19, and you start unmasking them to look their faces? No. Mask is very essential in this time due to the COVID-19, and to maintain the social distancing and washing the hands with soap again and again. I want to just say that read the real face of the people. Don't go on their portrait faces. Actually, these fake people have smile on their faces, talks you in a very friendly manner, but they may have poison in heart for you. You should have good relation with people with a good intention, and maintain the distance with the fake people with the fake mask on their faces. Secondly, become deaf. No, don't make your ear completely deaf. Dear friends, how will you listen to my videos? I want to say that you hear and listen to your well-wishers. Just ignore the saying of antagonist. Just imagine that you're watching a news channel in which you have muted the audio option. Thirdly, somehow different. Those who are you preaching you, making you fool on traditions and beliefs, false guiding you what to do or not to do. then there is a trick. Ask some money from them without the interest. Oh my God, what you have done! The bad people will disappear. You can't find them. In precise, I want to say your heart will give you the correct answer who are true to you and who are false to you. Friends, I want to say that take the decisions of your life on the basis of support of your own and your well-wishers, not on the basis of people or the society. This decision may be wrong, but you will not have guilty because the decision was yours. I hope you will have liked my video. Kindly give feedback that how can I improve my videos more. If you have feel good after watching the video, kindly share and subscribe to motivate me and become my true well-wisher.